Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. Wipro Elite NITH Recruitment 2021 has now been opened. So I request all the candidates to stick on to the end of the video to get all the information and the details for this particular post very clearly and in detail. Now this video consists of different sections. In the first part, we are going to look about the details of the post. The company that is offering up this post is Wipro, and the title of the event is Elite National Level Talent Hunt, which is also called as NLTH. The candidates who have passed out in the year 2021 can also apply. Now, this is one of the most crucial point which candidates have to take note of. The examination application form is not yet open, so I request all the candidates to please check the description below, as the link for the update information is placed in the description. So you can frequently check a link which is placed in the description and then be updated, and you can start your application process as soon as Wipro opens the forms. So the last date has been announced, which is of 5th of January 2021, and the name of the post which you have to be applying for is the project engineer, and this is opened also to the freshers. You can also check out the official website of Wipro, which is www.wipro.com. So if you need any updated information regarding this particular post for the recruitment of 2021, please check out the description below, as I've already mentioned, so that you will get updated information, and also you can directly access the link for the information. The education qualification for the project engineer post is as follows. For 10th grade, you have to have 60% and above. For 12th standard, for 60% or above. And in your graduation or with your degree, you have to have a minimum of 65% or CGPA equivalent to 65%. And also, please make sure that whichever university or college that you are studying should be recognized by the Government of India. The qualification that they have been asking is either you can be a BE, BTech, or you can have a 5 years integrated with a master's in technology. The branch of study, which is the core subject of study which they are focusing on, is CS, IT and Circuital. The compensation which the post is giving up is INR 3.50 lakhs per annum. The service agreement is going to be applicable for 12 months. The other criteria, which is also important equally before you apply for the post, and you have to be very careful when you are applying. Please check out all the criteria details here as I'm reading out one by one. Please make sure that you have been eligible to apply for the post. Number one is, if you have a 3 years gap between your education, between your 10th and your graduation, that is totally acceptable. You can go for applying. Number two is, your degree should be a full-time degree, and as I've mentioned, it should be a recognized one from the central or the state government of India. And number three is, if you have any backlogs or if you have any subjects remaining prior when you are applying to the post, please make sure when you have entered in taking up the exam, you have to clear all your backlogs or the subjects which are remaining. And then candidates who have participated in any interview process held by the Wipro company, please make sure that you guys are not eligible. You have to take up the next year's application ahead. And the next point is, you should be an Indian citizen, or if you are not an Indian citizen, you have to have a PIO or OCI card, so that you will provide a citizenship in order to get eligible for Wipro. And the last point is, if you are a resident of Nepal or Bhutan, you guys also should have to submit your citizenship certificate in order to be eligible for the particular post. The Wipro Elite NLTH selection process for 2021 is as follows. Candidates have to go through all these 3 tests in order to be secured for or be eligible for the particular post. So for project engineer, as such, as mentioned, you have to take up the online assessment test, the technical interview and the HR interview. Candidates cannot skip any of these or any one of these in order to go ahead. Your profile will not be forwarded ahead if you skip any of this. You have to go through all these three. The online assessment, which comprises of 3 sections, which is the aptitude test, which has the logical ability, quantitative aptitude, English or the verbal ability, and the duration is 48 minutes as it is mentioned here on the screen. The written communication test, which has essay writing and the duration of 20 minutes. The online programming test consists of 2 programming for coding. Duration is 60 minutes. So under 60 minutes you have to complete the test, and the candidate can choose any one of the programming languages which is under here, which is mentioned here on the screen, which is also called as Java, C, C++ or Python. So candidates are free to choose any of this and proceed for your code. The exam dates have been announced as per the dates given here. The online assessment will be held between 11th January 2021 to 17th January 2021. Please take note that Wipro will inform the candidates about the results of the recruitment by individual emails or by the means of communication provided by the individual candidates. So please make note of that you will be getting your emails. Please check your emails regularly after giving your examination so that you will be getting individual update as of from the company directly. The required details for the exam is as follows. You have to specify your name correctly and you have to mention your full name, your date of birth, your contact number, your professional email ID. Please don't give vague email IDs and the email IDs which you don't have password to or which you don't have access to. Make sure your emails are working, and because all the updates will be given through email. And the next is your Aadhaar number. The education qualifications, as I have mentioned, the education qualifications before in the criteria which they require. Please make sure that your education qualifications are up to date along with your certificates. And the next point is the registration number, and then your uploaded photo with the required dimensions given here on the screen. Well, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you all like this video. If you have any doubts or if you have any confusions regarding applying for this post, please mention it in the comment section below so that we can answer your questions or your doubts clarified and with giving you details in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more learning videos and placement videos from Freshers Now. Thank you.